I found my turtle side.
Mute your mic, please. Okay, thank you, everybody. Today is April 14th, and we are in social studies today. Oh, sorry, we're in science now. We're ready for science. Yosh, mute your mic, please. And we're going to start with a quick review. We are reviewing for our 5 kingdoms classification. And our test for 5 kingdoms will be on Thursday. So tomorrow you have your quiz on your vocabulary. Friday you have, or Thursday you have the 5 kingdoms test. So the first thing we need to remember for our 5 kingdoms test is the basic idea. What you'll need to do is study the 5 kingdoms, study the examples that you have in your chart. And if I say to you, looking at your notes, if I say to you, what do you call a many-celled living thing that has a nucleus? It absorbs food from other living things or dead things, like, for example, a log. Which one of the 5 kingdoms is that? Don't yell out. Unmute your mic, and when I call your name, you can answer. So David Kreppy said fungi, and that is correct, David Kreppy. Could anybody give me an example of a fungi?
Algae.
Wait till you get called on, Gavin. Just unmute your mic, then I'll know you want to answer. Algae is not a fungi. Connor?
That's protist.
Oh, wow, David, you've been studying.
MIM.
Oh, wait, no, I got it.
Yeast mold.
Okay, you got it. All right, you got it. Mute your mics now.
Okay.
Here's your next question. What do you call a single-celled kingdom that has no nucleus? Remember, no nucleus.
Ooh, can I answer this?
Sometimes it makes its own food, and sometimes it gets food off
I
the
know.
living things.
Moneran.
Whoa. Don't yell the answer. Wait till I call your name. Unmute your mic if you think you know, and I'll call your name. Aaron Cooper, go ahead.
Moneran.
Good. That is correct. And can somebody give me an example of a monoran?
Wait, Mrs. Wetzel, there's a second answer too.
No, there isn't. Because I said a single-celled.
Protists are also the same thing.
No, they're not. They're different. You need to know.
Protists?
Wait.
No, monorans have no nuclei.
Oh, that's right.
Bacteria's monoran.
They just both feed off other living things and make.
Gavin, quit unmuting your mic until you're called on, buddy.
I was saying something.
Excuse me?
I was saying something.
Well, you need to wait to be called on. If everybody opens their mic and says something when they want to, we're going to be in hot water. The difference, Gavin, between Moneran and Protist, Moneran has one single cell, no nucleus. Protist, does it have a nucleus? Yes, it does. The Protist does have a nucleus. So that's the difference. So when you're answering the question, one cell, no nucleus, you say Moneran. Protist has one cell, but it does have a nucleus. It has like a brain. It's a little more advanced. What is an example of a protist? Anybody know? Unmute your mic and I'll call on you. What's an example of a protist? Connor?
Algae, diatoms, and how do you say that? Amoebas.
Okay. What do you call a living thing that has many cells and it makes its own food. A kingdom that has
Plant?
David Creppy, wait until I call your name, okay? David, go ahead.
Plant?
Okay, give me an example of plant. A plant.
Tree?
Trees
A
would work.
tree? Flowers? Did I say one? Fern, mosses? The thing happened again. Oh my gosh.
Is your screen paused for you guys also?
Her screen is paused for me.
Yeah.
The thing is
All the
happening
screens are
again.
paused.
Yeah.
I'm still confused. Wait, what's going on?
Her
Everything
screen
is
froze. The connection's bad for
my
her.
screen is working. Not
Maybe
your
Mrs.
screen's
Wetzel is playing the statue game.
Nope, she left. Everybody behave
Yeah.
until she gets back. Behave until she gets back.
Guys, Miss Wetzel left. Party, 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 party.
Behave and
party,
get back,
party.
everyone.
Do the cookie dance, do the cookie dance.
Everybody behave.
Hey, Connor.
God.
Connor, has your what? So you have a friend named Gavin who wrestles, right?
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes.
That is right.
Yes.
Finally back out in our yard, but so are they.
Well,
Yes,
has
that's
he been
true.
doing the wrestling? Has he
Connor.
been doing the wrestling lunch break practice?
Connor, do you know what happened when I say that to the
Because yesterday there was a guy that graduated from Blair Academy in 2008.
Connor, Connor, after school I'll show you what Alexa said when I told her
Hey.
No, Alexa, stop. No, I do not care, Alexa.
David, what happens when the parents are gone?
Okay. Connor, join in math and I'll show you what she said. Okay?
Party in the house, baby birds, birds, go.
Flavor.
T-push, your boy dad. T-push, your boy dad. T-push, your boy dad.
Connor, join math if you want to know about
Gavin, my brother's
you know,
watching you.
the robotic.
Gavin, my brother's
Yeah.
watching you dance around like a madman.
Guys, read the chat. A party in the house, oh man, party in the house, party. Oh, it's just party.
What happened?
Dogs,
I don't know. I keep getting knocked out. Are you knocking me out, guys?
dogs, party in the house, party in the
All
house.
right. Wait, we're missing someone else now.
Now somebody else teleported out.
Brooklyn.
And Connor. I think Connor also left.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, he's not here.
What?
Okay. All right, everybody mute your mics. The last one we didn't do was animals. Animals are many-celled. They do not make their own food. And the examples are monkeys, bird, fish. Tomorrow we'll do a little more review. But could you tell me the answer to this question? All living things belong to one of 5 groups. These groups are called what? Mute your mic and I'll call on you. Connor?
The Five Kingdoms.
Brooklyn, stop
Wait,
chatting. We're in class now. Go ahead,
Five
Connor.
Kingdoms.
The
right?
5 Kingdoms, yes.
Ah.
Josh, please stop chatting.
When are we going to show the details?
Brooklyn, don't interrupt. I will let you know in a minute. Please mute your mic, Brooklyn. You need to mute your mic. when
I'm
you're
trying
answering.
to.
Okay, we're ready to do presentations on, and we'll review some more tomorrow.
I have a slide. I have mine ready.
Is that David N?
I have mine ready.
I have mine ready. Yes, that was me.
Please don't open your
Yep.
mic. I'll call on you.
Yes, that
Alexa.
was me. I have mine ready to present. Should I
Alexa,
share screen now?
Okay, go David N. Everybody mute your mic. Josh, you need to mute your mic. Oh, don't. Okay, David N. Unmute your mic, David N. You can present.
I'm working on it. So present a window. Chrome wants to share contents of your meeting with. Choose what you'd like to share. Share.
Yes, so you should
Okay.
go. You should
see-
open your Google.
now?
Yep, it's coming. Okay.
So
Okay.
okay, present. So I did the loggerhead sea turtle. Next slide. The loggerhead sea turtle is the largest of all hard-shelled sea turtles, and I chose this picture because it shows the size and how the shell is quite large and hard. Do you see that?
Yes, nice.
So the next slide is loggerhead sea turtles have large heads and strong jaws. This is actually a nice picture because it shows the head and the jaw. So as you can see, the jaw is very broad, so it has very powerful bite. So you really do not want to stick your finger in that.
No.
that jaw.
Yeah.
Next slide. Loggerhead sea turtles are found in tropical and subtropical waters. The reason I chose this picture is it shows the tropical waters with the reef because they generally live in reefs where food is plentiful. And my last line. My sources for this presentation were National Geographic and Google.
Okay. And you had an introductory. Could I see your introductory page again, David?
Oh yeah, no problem.
Okay.
Let me go back. I thought you saw it.
I
Here's mine.
missed it because I was trying to. Okay, nice. Very nice. You have everything you need. You got 100% on that. Good job.
David, you forgot to include one place that they live in. But I'll say that later.
What? Oh, I said that in tropical and subtropical waters.
Okay.
No, there's another place that they live in, but whatever.
Connor, stop unmuting your mic unless I call on you.
Are there any questions?
Nope. Let's have unmute your mic if you have.
Can I do it?
Gavin, go ahead. What's
What's
your turtle, Gavin?
Leatherback.
No, I had you down for green turtle.
I'm pretty sure I had leatherback.
No, David and Aaron had
Well, me
leatherback.
and Aaron.
Gavin, you had green sea turtle.
I'm
I'm not sure what we're going to do about that. I don't know. Let me get back to you, Gavin.
Can I do mine?
Brooklyn, you have yours in front of you?
I do.
Okay, so go down to the white, bring your white thing up where you would
Pretend,
mute your mic and hit present. And then you have to hit it in the middle. You're going to open the tab where you have your turtles open. Do you see the white bar where it says hit present?
Yes.
Okay, well, hit that button and then it should bring you a
Window
Screen.
or entire screen? Window, your entire screen.
I think, David, did you do entire screen? Entire screen.
Okay.
Oh,
And then
I
you-
did a window.
Oh, you did a window? Well, that
So
worked
do
out
I
pretty
hit
good.
share?
Yeah.
I hit the middle. No, do I share?
Yes.
Okay.
There you go.
Uh,
Okay, now,
what do I do now?
well, you open up your tab that you have the.
I do. I have it.
Okay, is that it? Okay, we see it now.
Oh, okay. I gotta get to the bidding.
Go up to the first one.
I know. Okay. So my sea turtle was the olive ridley sea turtle. They are said to be the most abundant sea turtles in the world. And I chose this one because you can see the shell and how the next slide you'll see it in the next slide. The olive ridley gets its name from the olive collar on its hard shell, and that's a baby one.
Okay.
It is one of the smallest of the sea turtles, measuring up to 80 centimeters. It can weigh up to 100 pounds, though. It loves to eat meat. It eats small crab, shrimp, small fish, and lobster. It lives in the tropical regions in the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Oceans. And let me get there. I got my facts from the internet.
Okay, that's, honey, you need to tell where you got your facts on the internet. You need to tell what site you were on.
Google. I got on Google.
Well, no, Google is not a website. You need to say where, when you went to Google and you Googled it, it took you to a site and it gave you the address up there. You can copy and paste that address into
I don't even know how to do that.
Excuse me,
Google's a web browser.
Mrs. Wetzel. I thought you
Yes,
said only
ma'am.
5 facts. Aren't there 6 there?
It doesn't, it's okay if she has more. No, I said 3 facts. There was 3.
Oh.
It was 3
I
facts.
thought you said. Oh, I read 5.
I read 6.
There's 5.
Can I share mine next?
May I
Wait.
go?
Can I share
let's
mine
see.
next, please?
Let's
Please.
have
Can I do mine next?
Can I go next?
Yosh Kemps Ridley. Let's hear Yosh. Yosh, unmute your mic.
Okay.
Go ahead. Hit your present button. You could probably all do
Let me
that.
turn it in. I need to turn
Why
it in.
don't you all hit your present button and have it ready to go so that we don't have to wait for you to do that?
Okay. Present.
Only one person can present at the time.
Yeah, but can't. All right, maybe you can't do that.
It
All
kicks the other person off.
does it? Even if you're muted, it will still kick you off. Okay,
Yeah.
Josh, are you ready, or do you want me to get someone else?
Yeah, I don't know why it's not working. I'm pressing
Can I do
share.
You need
Yeah.
to find your tab that you
Got
have. All right.
Can
There
you
we
see
go.
it?
Okay.
We can see it.
Oh, great. Okay.
All right, we'll get back to you, Josh. You work on it. David Krepp, you said you're ready. Go ahead, David. Oh, wait, Josh, here it is. It's up.
Okay.
Okay.
Come on. Okay, go to the first one first so I can see,
There.
so I can mark.
Kemp's Ridley Sea Turtle by Yash. Facts. The Kemp's Ridley Sea Turtle's scientific name is, whatever that says. David N., do you know what that says?
No, just give it a try.
Lepidopterus.
Lepidonchus kempi. They are reptiles and they will eat whatever they can find, meat or leaves. Facts. Continued. Their endangered situation is because of the overharvesting of their eggs during the last century. And though their nesting grounds are protected and many commercial fishing fleets now use... Whoa. Okay, wait, can you come back to me? I don't know what's happening.
I see your final. I see you have your websites on there. Brooklyn, take note of his websites on that one. There it is. It's back. For this
For this
reason,
reason, their nesting processions called arabatas are not good. During an arrabada, females take over entire portions of beaches, lugging their big bodies through the sand with their flippers until they find a satisfying spot to lay their eggs. Even more riveting is the later struggle to the ocean of each tiny vulnerable hatching. Beset by predators, hatchlings make this journey at night, breaking out of their shells using their chronicle, their first tooth. And this is where I got my info. Enjoy.
Do you have 5 slides?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have
Okay,
five.
good job.
Yep.
Um,
That's second.
Can I go
That's
next?
third.
May I go?
That's fourth.
May I go next?
Can I go next?
What should I do about my slides, Miss Wetzel?
I don't know. I'm still thinking about it.
Can I go next?
Should I just go with the
Sod,
leatherback?
you go next.
Me?
Sod, are you ready, Sod?
1 second.
Oh wait, how can you present? You don't have a camera.
You do not require a camera to present. You only need the ability to share the screen. It is
Yeah, you don't
the
need a
computer works internally. It does. You don't need.
Oh,
a camera.
that's good.
Okay,
All right, go
sorry.
ahead, Sod.
He left the meeting. Oh,
I'm
there it goes.
back.
Well, let's have Connor. Are you ready? Do you have yours up?
Yes.
Can I present?
Okay.
You said I could present.
You can go after Connor. If you don't interrupt Connor. Go ahead, Connor.
Okay. My entire screen. Okay. Can you see it?
Yep, it's coming up.
Okay. Okay. Loggerhead Turtles by Connor Swiderski. Here's a picture. Facts about the loggerhead turtle. Loggerhead turtles are the largest of all hard-shelled turtles. The leatherback is bigger but has a softer shell. They are named for their large heads and their strong jaws. Loggerheads are also carnivorous and can reach lengths between 3 and 4 feet long. Females, when adults, can navigate to where they were hatched and lay their eggs there. What do loggerhead turtles look like? Their shells are heart-shaped and are reddish-brown. They also have flippers to propel them through the water. Here's a picture. Where can they be found? Now here's where David M is coastal, but that's okay. They can be found in coastal, tropical, and subtropical waters. The highest population in North America is Barrier Island from North California to Florida Keys. And here's a picture of that. How long are loggerhead turtles' lifespan? Scientists figured that loggerhead turtles can live for 50 years or more. The loggerhead turtles also became endangered in 1978 and have been protected ever since. My list of resources are right here.
Wow, you looked in that many different places. Okay.
Yeah.
Brooklyn, take a look at that. Those are the places that he went to find his information. That's what you
I
need to do.
can't see anything. All I see is list of resources. I don't see anything after that.
That's all you need to see. That's what you need.
No,
You
I
can't
only
just
see
see
list
the-
of resources. The heading. I only see the heading. I don't see anything else.
Oh, okay. All right. We're going to have to stop recording now, guys. And
Bye.
those of you who didn't finish, I need to see Brooklyn and Gavin before you leave. The rest of you.
Miss
Can I
Wetzel,
go?
can I just
Because I have
present
a piano
before